You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Assalamualaikum to everyone. Waalaikumsalam. This is me Alina and today my topic is not a level. Yes, of course, not a level. When it is not a level, on that time when you don't have a power your own self. Because the person, what they are doing. The person they are just coming here and just saying that yes, this happened, that happened. But in the reality, they are not doing anything. They are just saying by their mouth that yes, this happened, I can do this. But the real thing is like that how much their action shows. And miss, you are saying like this, and yes, of course, what happened when it is not a level on that time when you have your own belief. You have a belief. Then after who is friend of you? They have not any level. You are just thinking in your mind relaxedly that they are nothing friend of me. As like the legendary people, what they are doing? They are just thinking that nobody is like nobody can win front of me because I am here in the ring. So who is here to defeat me? As like this, I am also the same thing. I'm not seeing that whoever is coming front of me. I'm never giving the face value that yes, whoever is coming front of me, some big people or whatever, whoever he is coming. But I'm not giving the face value to them, or either I'm not saying them that yes, what happened, what I will do on that time. They are too much big and they thought, no, I'm not doing this type of thing because I remember my master words, how much I should go far. And where my master is not there my master words are there. My master words are with me. Even if by that strong, precious word, I am having belief on my own side. As like the people are coming and saying we don't have belief. When we learn from this legendary master, and then after they are not going with the empty hand, they are going with the full of the hand. They have too much confidence. They have too much self-belief that they can defeat. Yes, first question.
So if these are, is it your masters are here and you was talk about according to their level is too high. But if you consider everybody is a level is a high, everybody is a right for, everybody is a very famous and everybody. If you give the respect to every one person as according to their level, so that was a point which are you really doing something. But I consider many people are here. What opinion about you? Many people are here. They consider everybody as like according to the same level. They consider as a equality with everybody. So what about you? What about you? Because of that something, a person giving the value and respect according to person level. If it's those who are really are nothing. So why you talking over here? These type of people. If there is a level is nothing, so starting why you was talk about those.
Okay, Miss Almuch, now you are saying like this that yes, what about that people? Because here just you are not here because every people they are too much strong and they have the name and this all you are saying like this. First thing is like that, yes of course, I know this thing, but in my eyes nobody is friend of me. But in my eyes nobody is friend of me, just my master is there, my well-wishers, my parents are with me. Because here whoever are coming, they are becoming, when you don't have any confidence on that time, nobody is your friend on that time. But when you are getting famous on that time, the people are coming and taking you the nice voice and telling you like this. But no, as like this, if anyone, yes I know that here too many people are there, they have the confidence, but I don't see this type of thing. I just see my own. I want to play my own game. I'm not seeing how much confidence the other people have. I have to see my own. I'm not caring about the others that yes, what happened and what they are doing. I'm not care about that. I am not caring about that because I have my own belief. Why I should care about them? If I have my own belief, so now why I would stand here. Now I have my own belief. That's why I am standing here. Because if whoever is coming in front of me, I'm not seeing how much confidence they have, but I see how much I have.
Okay, so means if you consider your own self, how much confidence inside of you. So why you talk about those type of people? If you are such someone, if you are a real one, so why you was talking about our hair? So you should talk about this of you and those who are well-wisher of you. No need to define those people who are demotivated, who are bad. So no need over there. But if you are really consider your level as like a really high, so that some mean person should be increase their level for as like become a humble for those who are really a well wisher. The person who's are rising but they are still their hand and their as like attitude and their level is high front of the those they are a well wisher and those is a maker. So that some mean person should be a feel bad because of that was not a thing, that was not a place which you show your as like a proud, which you show as like a your power as a front of those who are well wisher of you.
You are saying like this that why there is no need to tell about those people who are the demotivator and you are saying like this.